Disabling the administrator account in Windows 10 encourages the use of standard user accounts for daily activities, which minimizes the risk of accidental system changes or damage. This can be done using either the command prompt or through the graphic user interface. Here are the steps for both methods. Type CMD in the search bar and run command prompt as an administrator. Type the following command and press enter. Net user administrator active. No. You should see a message that the command completed successfully. Open local users and groups. Press Windows +R to open the run dialog box. Type lusrmgr.msc and press enter. Navigate to Users. In the left pane, select Users. In the right pane, right-click on Administrator and select Properties. Check the box for Account is disabled. Click Apply and then OK. Make sure you have another user account with administrative privileges before disabling the built-in administrator account.